Hello dear traders. For today's analysis, I decided to cover dollar index. I will speak about the USD versus Japanese yen and the euro versus US dollar. So I will start with the US dollar index first. So what we got here on this 2-hour time frame is that we got a clear upside trend, as I mentioned in my previous forecasts. And basically we mentioned that there is a potential completion of ABC like a few days ago. Dollar index made this downswing first and then a second downswing right there, found this support on the rising trend line and basically reacted from that pretty positive, went into the sideways and then broke this small consolidation here around 94.15. Most recently what we got here is that the price traded above 94.33, which is actually the swing high from this ABC. And we held for about 6 to 8 hours and price looked below, so it wanted to resell, but now it's regaining that level again, 94.33. So I think that's a pretty confirmative for the further rise, and I expect for the US dollar index to continue upside and eventually retest 94.50. And even search later for some bigger levels on the upside, so 94.50 and then eventually 95.60. So we'll definitely see more upside pressure on the US dollar index in the next period. On the weekly time frame, you can also see the confirmed double bottom. We took this pivot high and we are holding for already a few weeks above. So we got tons of the positive signs from the larger degree and also from the shorter time frame horizon, so that bulls are totally in control on US dollar index. That will basically indicate euro dollar eventually go lower, try to eventually revisit March, beginning with the March high from 2020 around 1.1493, and then maybe even go lower towards the 1.1430. But definitely that level at 1.1500 is a very, I think it will act like a magnet more for the further price section. So definitely something we spoke about on the 2-hour time frame. There is ABC completion, price sold off, found some buyers here, but overall this is still strong selling pressure on the higher degree frames. So my advice, definitely watch for selling opportunities with potential tests of 1.1500 or 1.1430. Speaking of the, I want also to cover EUR Japanese yen, because this one actually worked perfectly based on the strategy and something that I spoke about. I will go to the daily time frame. Everything started for this fake breakout of consolidation. We found aggressive buyers, a sign of strength, a few days pullback. We spoke about retest, and now we got a big update from yesterday to dates. We got more like a consolidation day so far, but still buyers are so much in control, and the highs that we got from November and October 2018 can be in the play. Also, we got some highs from December 2018 as well, 113.70 and so. So I guess still more room for upside. So short-term, mid-term speaking, this is a pretty bullish stance, and watching to buy on the pullbacks. Most recently, we had this ABC. We have this ABC type of correction here that we're completing here. So possibly, I expect more upside to come on this one towards the next upside pivots. And lastly, I want to just mention that the gold got that fake breakout of the consolidation from yesterday. So for me, this is still bearish stance because of that price action that happened on Friday. So I think it's just a question of time when we can clear the lows at 1744 and eventually drop towards the 1722. So that will be all for today's session. I hope that you did enjoy, and have a good day, and see you all tomorrow morning.